plus 2d, etc. This is first term a. Second term is a plus 1d. Third term is a plus 2d. Fourth term is a plus 3d. Fifth term is a plus 4d. Tenth term is a plus 9d, etc. So a is first term, d is common difference. That is, formula for d is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. T2 minus T1 is formula for d. General term of AP is Tn. Nth term formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is formula for finding nth term. Now arithmetic series. What is the arithmetic series? Summation of terms of arithmetic sequence is arithmetic series. So how to find sum to n terms of arithmetic series? Sum of n terms, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Very important formula. Next, this also sum to n terms of AP. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, where l is last term. That is last term is nothing but nth term. So l also what? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. You should copy it up. Now from exercise 2.5, question number 2, second subdivision. First subdivision is homework. First term a is equal to 7. Common difference d is equal to minus 5. Find AP. A and d are given. Find AP. What is AP? Formula a, comma, a plus d, comma, a plus 2d, comma, etc. This is general form of AP. Here a is what? 7. So 7, comma, a plus d. That is 7. D is minus 5. So minus 5, comma, a plus 2d. A is 7 plus 2 into d is 2 into d. So 2 into minus 5, etc. up to then this 7, comma, 7 minus 5 is 2. Here 7, 2 5s are 10. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 10, etc. Simplify this. 7, comma, 2, comma, 7 minus 10 is, subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 3, etc. This is our required AP. Now, question number 3, first subdivision, second subdivision is homework. Find the first term and common difference of AP, whose nth term is Tn equal to minus 3 plus 2n. Here what is given? Nth term is given. Find first term, that is A, and common difference D. So we should find A and D from given nth term. So how to find? So general term is Tn equal to minus 3 plus 2n. Substitute n is equal to 1. That is our first term. So n is 1. Here on n. So minus 3 plus 2 into 1. Minus 3 plus 2 ones are 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. This is first term. Term 1. Term 2, second term, T2 is equal to, here substitute minus 3 plus 2 into, here n is 2 because it is second term. So minus 3 plus 2 2s are 4. So minus 3 plus 4 is, subtract and put the greater number sign. Here greater number is 4. So plus 4. So plus 1. That is T2. What is our question? First term. Find the first term. Here D1 is our first term. So first term is minus 1. Common difference minus, T1 is minus 1. So 1 minus of minus plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore A is, first term is T1 minus 1. Common difference D is 2. That is the required answer. Now from exercise 2.5 question number 4, find the 19th term of an AP minus 11, minus 50, minus 19, etc. On AP is given. From that AP, A is what? First term is minus 11. Common difference is D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is T1, T2, T3. So T2 is minus 50. This minus, what is T1? Minus 11. So minus 15, minus of minus plus 11. So minus 15 plus 11. One number is negative, one number is in positive. Subtract and put the greater number sign. Here greater number is minus 15. So put minus sign and subtract. 15 minus 11 is 4. So this is common difference. What is our question? Find the 19th term. So n is 19. So use nth term formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is nth term formula. So substitute. What is A? A is minus 11 plus bracket n minus 1 is, n is what? 19 minus 1 into D is minus 4. So into D, so that's why I put on bracket minus 11. So 19 minus 1 is 18 into minus 4. So multiply these two numbers, minus 11 plus into minus minus 4 8s are 32. Carry 3, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So 72. Both the numbers are in minus. So what is our rule? Add and put the common sign. Common sign is minus. Now add 70, 80, 83. This is what? 19th term. T. 19 is minus 83. Now question number 5. Which term of an AP is 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. is minus 54? This is our AP. 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. is our AP. This one is last term of this AP. That is our question. Which term of this AP is minus 54? Tn is given. Solution. What is given? AP. A is from the sequence. A is first term, so that is 16. D is T2 minus T1. T2 is 11. T1 is 16. So T2 11 minus 16 is equal to, this number is greater number, so minus, subtract 16 minus 11 is 5. So D is minus 5. Here, which term of AP is 54? N is our question mark. N is our question mark. Tn is minus 54. This is given. Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, Tn is what? Minus 54. A is 16 plus n minus 1. N we don't know. So n minus 1 into D is minus 5. So minus 54, transfer this constant term to that side. Minus 54 minus 16 plus equal to n minus 1 into minus 5. So both the numbers are in negative, so add and put the same sign. Minus n minus 1 into minus 5. So transfer this side. Minus 70 divided by minus 5 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. So 5 ones are balance 2. So n minus 1 is equal to 40. N is equal to is minus 1 goes that side means 14 plus 1. So n is equal to 15. N is 15. Therefore minus 54 is 15th term. 15th term of 18. Now from exercise 2.5 question number 8. If 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP, then find k. What is given? Given on AP is given. 3 terms are there. T1, T2, T3. So 3k AP is 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1. These 3 terms are in AP, that is given. T1, this is T2, this is T3. How to find k? We should frame one equation. Here, record equation is what? This sequence is in AP. That means common difference is that. That is T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. That is our record equation. So given sequence is in AP. Therefore common difference is that. That is T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Here T2 is what? 18 minus k. This minus T1 3 plus k is equal to T3 is 5k plus 1 minus T2 is 18 minus k. Now remove this bracket. 18 minus k, this minus into plus minus 3 minus into plus minus k is equal to 5k plus 1. Here minus 18 minus into minus plus k. Now transfer. Now here one constant, here one constant. Minus a, here one minus a. So minus 2k. 18 minus 3 is plus 15 is equal to 5k plus 1k. That is, this is 1k. 5k plus 1k is 6k. 1 minus 18 is minus 17. So this 6k transfer to this side. 15 is that side. So minus 2k is here. Now this transfer term is minus 6k is equal to already minus 17 is there. This plus 15 goes that side means minus 15. So these two terms are in negative. So minus here minus 2k minus 6k totally minus 8k is equal to here both are in minus. So I will put same side minus 10 plus 10 20 27 32. Now this minus minus get cancelled. So 8k is equal to 32. K is 32 divided by this 8. Now cancel by 8 table. 8 1 time 4 times. Therefore k is equal to 4. This. Now from exercise 2.5 question number 11. This is very important. 5 more question. The sum of 3 consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the 3 terms. So what is given? The sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and the product of 3 consecutive terms is 288. 88. The two equations are given. So let us take the first consecutive three numbers the what a. Let the three consecutive terms be a minus b, a plus d. These are three consecutive terms of AP. So what is the given data? The sum is by data sum is 27. That is sum is a minus b plus a plus d is equal to 27 by given data. So this minus d plus d get cancelled. Here 1d, here 1a, here 1a, here 1a. Totally 3a. 3a is equal to 27. So a is equal to 27 divided by this 3. So now cancel by 3 table. 3 ones are, 3 nines are. So a is 9. Now again by data, product is 288. Product is 288 by given data. So product of three consecutive terms a minus b into a plus b is equal to 288. So a is what? 9 here. So substitute 9 minus b into 9 plus b is equal to 288. Now product of these three terms. So take this 9 to that side. In LHS side 9 minus d into 9 plus d is equal to 288 divided by this 9. Cancel by 9 table. 9 ones are, 9 threes are 27. Balance 1, 2 nines are 18. So in RHS side 9 plus d into 9 minus d into 9 plus d. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus d. So apply that formula. What is formula for a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So 9 square minus d square is equal to 32. Since a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So now 9 square becomes 9 nines are 81 minus d square is equal to 32. So minus d square this side, take this 81 to that side, 32 minus here plus 81, therefore that side goes with minus 81. So d square is equal to, this is positive, this is negative. So subtract and put the greater number sign. Here greater number is 81, that sign is minus. So 81 minus 32, 81 minus 32, 9, 49. So 49. This minus will cancel. D square is equal to 49. D is equal to root of 49. So D is, take square root of 49 is plus or minus 7. This is value of D here. What is value of D? Plus 7 and minus 7 is value for D. So what is our question? Find the three terms. That three terms. So let us consider A is 9 and D is plus 7. Next case A is 9 and D is minus 7. So first case 1, what? A is 9, D is plus 7. Here plus or minus 7 now. So now take D is minus 7. So that AP is A minus B, A plus B. A is 9 minus this minus D is minus 7. Comma A is 9. A plus B means A 9 plus this minus 7. So 9 is minus of minus plus 7, comma 9. Here 9 plus into minus minus 7. So 9 plus 7 is 16. This 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. So this is another AP. Now from exercise 2.5 question number 12. This is also important 5-mark question. The ratio of 6th and 8th term of an AP is 7:9. Find the ratio of 9th term to 13th term. Here what is given? Or ratio is given. Ratio is given means a fraction is given. So here the 6th and 8th terms of AP is 7:9. Here our required formula is nth term formula. So nth term formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So given that what is given 6th and the ratio of 6th and 8th term, that means fraction T6 divided by T8 is equal to 7:9, that is 7 by 9. This is given. So T6 given means use this formula A plus, first term is A, second term is A plus 1D, third term is A plus 2D, here sixth term A plus 5D. So what is 8th term? A plus 7D is equal to 7 by 9. By cross product, so 9 into A plus 5D is equal to 7 into A plus 7D. Now remove it from bracket. So multiply 9 into A, 9A plus 9 5s are 45D is equal to 7 into A, 7A plus 7 7s are 49D. Now transfer this A term to this side, D term to this side. So 9A minus 7A is equal to 49D minus this 45D. 9A minus 7A is 2A is equal to 49D minus 45D is 4D. So therefore A is 4D divided by this 2. So now cancel by 2 table. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So A is 2D. A is in terms of D. So what is our question? Find the ratio of 9th term to 13th term. So find what? To find T9 divided by T13. That is T9 is A plus 9th term is AD. A plus AD divided by 13th term is A plus 12D. Here A is 2D. A is 2D. Substitute here. A is 2D plus AD. Now here also A is 2D plus 12D is equal to 2D plus AD 10D divided by 2D plus 12D 14D. Now DD get cancelled. Here 10 by 14 by using 2 table. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. So answer is 5 by 7. So our ratio is 5:7. Now from exercise 2.5 question number 6, find the middle term of an AP this is first term, this is last term. We know what is common difference T2 minus T1. That and all we know. Find the middle terms. So first of all we find how many terms are here. Then only we can find which is middle term. So here A is 9, last term L is 183, D is T2 minus T1 is equal to 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. This is our D. First find how many terms are in this given AB. So first find N. N is L minus A by B plus 1. This is formula for finding N. L is last term. Last term is 183 minus A is first term 9 by D is common difference 6 plus 1. So 183 minus 9 is 13 minus 9 4 7 1 by 6 plus 1. Now cancel by 6 table 6 1 times 6 2 times 12 balance by 9 times. So 29 plus 1 is equal to 29 plus this one is equal to 30. So totally there are 30 terms in this given AB. So 30 terms are there, means which is middle term 35 to 15. So 15th and 16th are middle terms because there are even number of terms. Therefore two middle numbers are there. So n by 2 and n by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2th term are middle terms. N by 2 means 30 by 2. So 30 plus 1, 31 by 2. That is 15th term, 30 by 2 means 15. After 15, 16th term. 16th term are middle terms. So now, how to find that middle terms? Here n is 15. So Tn nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Here T n is 15. 15 is equal to A is 9 plus n minus 1 is 15 minus 1 into D is 6. So 9 plus 15 minus 1, 14, 14 into 6. So 9 plus 14 6 are 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. So 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 84 plus 9, 93. This is 15th term. So T16 is 16th term is 93 plus 1D. So add that common difference, that enough. So 16th term is 93 plus 6. So T16 is 99. Therefore T15 is equal to 93. T16 is equal to 99. These are required middle terms. So copy down these worked out sums and do the homework sums and submit on Thursday in office. Thank you children.